Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's session, we are going to show you the live demo how to create bill of materials. So, be till last of the video to see the live demo of creation of bill of material in SAP S for HANA. So here we show you what is BOM and how it works. Bill of material master data is related to material requirement planning and provide the list of components to produce the product. And to produce a product with different variant, we can create super bill of material that has a list of component to manufacture different variants of product. The selection of component depend on the detail mentioned in the planning order. And below are the characteristics of BOM. You can create single level or multi-level bill of material. BOM type depend on the size, validity date, and production method. You can create up to 99 bill of material as per the material type. And also you can use material bill of materials for the material available in PP module, and equipment bill of material is used in the different module that is called plant maintenance module. As mentioned, you can create super BOM for different variant of product. In this video, we will show you how to create a single item BOM. To create a material BOM, you need to run a transaction CS01, press enter. In this column, this is for header material, the material which will be produced, plant and BOM uses, valid from date, like if we select from 1st of May, then this BOM will be applicable from 1st of May. The system shows that BOM alternative 1 is already created. Press enter. Here we add the component code, stockable item or non-stockable item. In our scenario, we are keeping stockable item. For that, we need to put L for stockable item. Here we can put the component used for to produce this material, like we search the component ENA and the quantity, let's suppose 3000, and press enter. So 3000 BL of ENA will be used to produce. This is for header icon, and here we maintain like 9000 BL blend VGBL premium whiskey will be produced with ENA 3000 BL. And we also can add multiple items which are required to produce header material, like another we search caramel. This is also stockable item, and let's suppose we maintain here 100 kg. So like that, the BOM component item can be multiple, 10, 20, 30, 40, up to 100, and more than 100 component quantity can be added. And once you add all these things and add that base quantity, also we can maintain load size from load size to load size. This BOM will be usable, and we also can add the BOM description to identify that for this is for whiskey, Once we add all the details, we just simply need to click on save and your BOM will be generated. BOM can be like multiple super BOM, single item multi-level BOM, and these are the BOM types you can create to produce any material. Thanks for watching the video and please subscribe our channel to see more real-time videos related to SAP S4HANA. Thank you.